morning, everyone. This is Dr. Kausar, Unnisa, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC. So, in this class, we are also discussing the same thing what we did in the previous year, still more problems which are belonging to the continuous series. So, here also, simple arithmetically, we are calculating the continuous series. Let us will see one question here, given problem number 1. That is 200 people were interviewed by a public opinion polling agency. The following frequency distributions gives the age of people interviewed. So calculate the value of mean age of people interviewed. So the class intervals are given here, that is in the form of inclusive series, because the upper limit of one class has not become the lower limit of the next class. The difference between all the class intervals definitely is nothing but 10. So 80 to 99, 70 to 79, 60 to 69, 50 to 59, and then 40 to 49, 30 to 39, 20 to 29, and 10 to 90. So number of persons are 2, 2, 6, 20, 56, 40, 41, 32. In the age group of people, those who have interviewed from 80 to 89 are 2 people are there, and 70 to 79 interviewed in a public opinion of a polling agency, there is 2 people. 60 to 69 are 6 people. 50 to 59, 20 people were interviewed, and 40 to 49, 56 people. 30 to 39 are 40 people, and 20 to 29, 42 people, and 10 to 19 is 32 people. So here we are going to calculate both in the direct method as well as in the step deviation method. So direct method, we know the formula, that is mean is nothing but sigma fm by 10. So first column which contains of class intervals given in the question, we are going to substitute the same thing, that is 80 to 89, 70 to 79, 60 to 69 till the last class interval, that is 10 to 19, we have substituted here as it is given in the question. And the next thing is that is regarding to the frequency values, number of persons. So 2 for the first class interval, then 2, 6, 20, 56, 40, 42, 32. Therefore, the total number of persons for those who interviewed there, that is 200. And the next column we require to calculate midpoints, because in the direct method, f into m is nothing but the mid value. So 80 to 89, the mid value is 84.5. Or we can able to calculate very easily by using the value midpoint of formula, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, or directly we can calculate 89 plus 80 divided by 2. We got the midpoint is 84.5, for the second one is 74.5, then 64.5, 54.5, next 44.5, 34.5, 24.5, and 14.5. These are all the mid values need to be calculated. Then we require to calculate sigma fm by n here. So f into m column has to be multiplied. So 2 into 84.5, the last one is 169. 2 into 74.5 is 149. So the arrangement of values columns, anyhow you can able to do. Here we have located shown at the last place the calculation. So 20 into 54.5 is 1090, 56 into 44.5 is 2492, 40 into 34.5 is 1280, 42 into 24.5 is 1029, 32 into 14.5 is 464. Total FM values are 7160. Let us substitute the same thing in the direct method. 7160 divided by 200, the mean value is 35.8 years. The average group of people, those who have interviewed in the polling agency, that is 35 years, or we can round it up to 36 years. Let us will calculate in the step deviation, that is the third method. So the formula is a plus sigma f d dash by n into c. So first we require to calculate d, then we should go for d dash. Or directly we can calculate d dash, that is m minus a divided by c. So here among the midpoints, we have to consider any one number as the assumed value. We took it as 54.5 is assumed value. Now m minus a is nothing but 84.5 minus 54.5 divided by common factor, that is 10. So we got the answer is 3. Same thing for the second one, 74.5 minus 54.5 divided by 10, it is 2. 64.5 minus 54.5 divided by 10 is 1, then it becomes 0. Then 44.5 minus 54.5 divided by 10, it becomes minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Then we'll have to multiply with the F column for the product of FD dash. So 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4, 6 into 1 is 6, 20 into 0 is 20, 56 minus 1 is minus 56, 40 into minus 2 is minus 80, 42 into minus 3 is minus 126, 32 into minus 4 is minus 128. We require to add all the plus values as well as the negative values. So the negative values is highest here, so the difference will become minus 374. The same thing we have to substitute here. A is nothing but 54.5 minus 374 divided by 200 into 10. The 374 by 200 into 10 is 18.57. So the difference 54.5 minus 18.7 is 35.8, or we can round off to 36 years. So the mean age, the average age of the people, those who interviewed there in the polling agency are 35.8 years or 36 years. This is how we need to calculate the calculation of mean continuous series. Let us will see the second question here. The following is the frequency distribution of daily average temperature at a place during the months of December and January. Find the arithmetic mean by shortcut method. Very clearly he has given to calculate in shortcut method. So the temperatures they have given minus 3 to all negative values here. Minus 3 to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. And frequency values are given number of days 5, 14, 20, 12, 6, 3, and the total of frequencies are 60. So we know that the calculation of a shortcut method, the formula is A plus sigma FD dash by N into C. So we require D column or D dash under shortcut method, that is D column, that is not D dash. Here. So let us will write the thing of class interval in the first column minus 3, 2. This minus is nothing but 3, 2. So the width of the class interval, this is minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. And the same frequency values need to be substituted. Then we require to calculate midpoints. Minus 2 plus of minus 3. So upper limit minus plus lower limit divided by 2 here, minus 2 plus of minus 3 will become minus 3 again, minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5 divided by 2 is minus 2.5, minus 1 minus 2 will become minus 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, again 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 0.5, so 1 divided by it becomes 0.5, 1.5 and 2.5. Then we require to calculate d value, that is m minus a. Here we have taken d value is minus 0.5. So m is minus 2.5 minus 0. Minus of minus 0.5. Minus of minus become plus. So minus 2.5 minus plus 0.5 is minus 2. Minus 1.5 plus 0.5 will become minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we need to multiply f into d column. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, 14 into minus 1 is 40, 20 into 0 is 0, 12 into 1 is 12, 6 into 2 is 12, 3 into 3 is 9. So total sigma FD column, that is 9 here. Same thing needs to be substituted here. That is A plus sigma FD divided by N. So minus 0.5 is the A value plus 9 is nothing but FD value divided by N is 60 into the difference between the class intervals width is 1. So minus 0.5 plus 9 by 16 to 1 is nothing but 0.15. Therefore, we got the negative value of temperature, that is minus 0.35 Celsius. Therefore, the average temperature during the month of December and January is negative, that is 0.35 Celsius. So here one more question is given. The marks scored by the students of a class in an examination are distributed as follows. Find the mean marks. So here the marks given here this is also of inclusive method. So 0 to 34, 35 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, then 0 to 70, 99 and 100. It is unequal class intervals you can able to see here. And next, the same thing, whatever they have given has to be plotted in the first column, that is the class interval, then the number of students given. 8, 27, 14, 13, 17, 3. The total of n column becomes 82. We are going to follow by the first method, that is sigma fm by n. So we require to calculate m value, that is midpoint. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, that is 34 divided by 2 is 17. 49 plus 35 divided by 2 is 42. 59 plus 50 divided by 2 is 54.5. 69 plus 60 divided by 4 is 64.5. 99 by plus 70 divided by 4 is 84.5. Here the last number is given as a mid value. We have considered here. Then we'll have to multiply with f into m. 17 into 8 is 136. 27 into 42 is 1134. 14 into 54.5 is 763. 13 into 64.5 is 838.5. 17 into 84.5 is 1436.5, and 3 into 100 is 300. Total sigma fm is 4608. In the direct method, we have to calculate substitute the same thing in the formula, that is V equals sigma fm by n. Therefore, mean equals 4608 divided by 82, that is mean value is 56.20. Is the average marks scored by how many students? That is 82. So with this, I am going to end the session. Thank you.